This is the Transmig 185 Ultra from Cigweld. MIG, stick, and TIG. It's 3 welders in one, and it's an absolute cracker of a unit, whether you're a professional welder or a weekend warrior. It's a portable, lightweight 185 amp inverter, but what really sets this welder apart is its auto setup function. In all 3 welding modes, all you have to do is follow the prompts in selecting your material, your consumable size, and your plate thickness, and the auto setup will do the rest. The interface is a bright 4.3-inch LCD screen with intuitive design and easily navigated by turning and pressing the center dial. The other dials are for manual adjustments if needed, like changing the voltage or the wire speed. There's a bunch more adjustments in the advanced setting menu, which is for the pros. Plebs like me won't need to go in there unless you're trying to turn off the wire feeder or switch it from 2T to 4T. And it's got 9 memory slots where you can quickly save your favorite setups for a quick recall in the future. I like the built-in setup diagrams for each of the 3 welding modes to make setup a breeze. On top of the integrated wire feeder, it also features burn back control and VRD for stick mode. Plus loads more, but best of all, it runs on a standard 10 amp plug. It comes with all this, which includes the electrode holder, work clamp and lead, gas hose and regulator, as well as feed rolls and tips. The included MIG torch is really nice, and it features controls to adjust the wire feed and the voltage to save you walking back and forth to your machine while you're welding. The Tweco SGT 250 is available separately. It's a really nice gun. We're using it here on aluminium, and it features a 6-meter lead, making it great for working on boats and trailers. This unit really threads the needle. It's 3 welders in one. That auto set makes it ideal for amateurs, but it's also got the power that professionals can make the most of it as well. And it's lightweight and portable, able to be used anywhere, powered by a 10 amp plug. If you've got any questions at all about the Transmig 185 Ultra from Cigweld, hit me up in that comment section down below. If you want to see the entire Cigweld range, drop into your local Sydney Tools store or online. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.